Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram DM not opening problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Instagram. Okay, click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and open Play Store and search for Instagram and click on update, and you need to update your Instagram application. Then you need to go back and open Instagram, and after that you can see your DMs like this and your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.